Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on my last video, somebody requested that I film a tutorial on the adjustable loop. As you can see here, it just lets you loosen or tighten your bracelet so that it's easier to take on and off. So here I just have a basic chevron pattern, and if you want to know how to make this, I filmed a video so you can just click the eye. But anyway, you're just going to want to make sure that this little loop at the top is pretty small. The smaller, the better. You just want to be able to fit your string through it. Also, the ends of your string should be pretty even. So you're just going to open up this little loop at the top and then take the other end of your bracelet and you're going to just try and pull that through the loop. Now this can get a bit difficult, but just stay persistent, and one trick that I learned is to just pinch the string and it makes it easier to pull through. Once the string is pulled through, it should look a little bit like this. Now watch carefully. I'm going to bring the string over to make a little rainbow. Now take the end of your rainbow and pull it through the loop. It should now look like this. Stick your hand through the larger circle and just tighten it. Then don't forget to make a knot so that your bracelet doesn't come apart. If you want, you can double knot it, but it wasn't really necessary for this bracelet. I also just cut off the extra string. So now if you want to put it on, you can just tighten it by pulling on the string, and it looks pretty snazzy. And then you can just pull and it'll come off. So yeah, that's basically it for the adjustable loop. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
It's not for me to say.